Hi guys, I'm the Gravitrax kid here, and I'm unboxing this Volcano. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Now just peel this up. Okay, there we go. Now just going to get this open. There we go. Okay, we've got this piece already fully assembled. Volcano already fully assembled. And we got some tracks. So this seems like a pretty easy one. So let's just have a look at the manual. And that's it. Nothing else. Now let's see. Really quite easy. So if you can see there, it just says put in the 3 marbles. And so it just says put in 3 marbles. Get a marble to push the button, they will go out. Okay, I'm going to open the bag first. Just like some bonus tracks and stuff. So everyone wants the tracks. Not worth much, but always useful. There we go. Just got some of those now. So I think to put it in action, you just, as it says, you just push that down, put 3 marbles in those spaces, and then the marble will come through here, boom, sending them flying off in their certain directions. Now I think I'm just going to build a track and see how it works.